Girls, can you handle this? Guys, can you handle this? Becky, can you handle this? I don't think they can handle this. Woo! Summertime's getting close. Science project finally due. Let's begin from the start. Nitrogen, take it off. Nitrogen moves between basically everything. Soil bacteria thins, helping it become feed. Plants absorb the nitrate if you want to make amino acids. The nitrogen gets used in amino acids next. Plants and things can't do nothing without it. Chlorophyll needs for photosynthesis. Now that's cleared up, let's move on with this. Next on the list is DNA.
DNA, its job is to store info, synthesizing proteins and cells and organisms. DNA, passing characteristics to future generations. Meiosis and mitosis. DNA, its parts are made of phosphate, nitrogenous, base and 5-carbon sugar. DNA, it's stored inside of cells. It's what creates your genes. That is DNA.
Remember when we learned about the steps that cause a cell to divide? Meiosis and mitosis has plenty steps to it now. Cell division happens when a cell becomes too large to divide. Before these steps to happen, you gotta go through this now. Starting with prophase, preparations have to begin. DNA is copied then. After is metaphase, chromosomes line up across and equate it from left to right. Spindles start to form like arms, preparing to pull them apart. And anaphase they finally do, and the chromosomes choose a side. And telophase they separate, nuclear envelope forms around. Next, meiosis. Meiosis has two rounds. Meiosis number 1. Things are pretty much the same. Chromatid to prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. But when they get to meiosis 2, these haplets just don't stop there. The chromosomes split apart. The daughter cells there are 4. DNA is even. They are now ready to begin. Being the sperm egg next. Now let's go to genetics.
Genetics, everything you gotta know about genetics. Genes make up who you are and look like. They also help make proteins, they're very, very nice. Genes are made up of DNA. DNA consists of 4 types of bases: adenine, thymine, and yes, guanine and cytosine, they're the best. The order of these bases is a code to make proteins. Did you know I have 46 chromosomes in me? And so do you too. Genes are passed to offspring, inherited through our genes. Dimple stump and inheritance, no dimple that's recessive, baby. Let's start with the process in which you copy your DNA. This happens in the nucleus for eukaryotic cells. If you're prokaryotic, it's a little different. Happens in the cytoplasm. After this, transcription is next to transcribe DNA to RNA. RNA polymerase binds the DNA, uses it to move the nucleotides. Complementary of RNA in the nucleus. DNA to RNA, you gotta transcribe. Translation starts with mRNA, touching to the ribosome. chromosomes reads the codon, directs transfer RNA. Then the anticodon comes and binds to the codon ribosome, joins to a new base acid and breaks the bond between these two, mRNA and tRNA. This process continues until the ribosome reaches 1 of 3 stopping codons. All of this happens on the ribosome in the cytoplasm, and all of the processes, tRNA and mRNA, carry info from DNA to other parts of the cell. Selection, we chose chromosome 21 for this. When it comes attached, that's called translocated to another chromosome during formation. Having extra copies changes development. This resulting characteristics is called trisomy 21. This means increased risk of health problems and limited fitness. Lack of communication skills, lack of muscle strength, weakens the ability to survive, weakens the ability to strive.